best beginner motorcycle Yamaha MT-07. Selecting your first motorcycle is a momentous decision for any aspiring rider. It's a choice that will shape your early experiences on two wheels, and the Yamaha MT-07 is an option that deserves your careful consideration. This versatile and user-friendly motorcycle has earned a reputation as one of the best choices for beginners, and in this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into why the Yamaha MT-07 is the perfect starting point for new riders. Yamaha, a legacy of excellence. Yamaha is a well-respected name in the world of motorcycles, renowned for producing high-quality, reliable machines. With a history dating back to 1953, Yamaha has consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation and design, and their commitment to rider satisfaction is unquestionable. The Mount series, a modern and versatile lineup. The Yamaha MT-07 is part of the Mount series, a modern and versatile lineup known for its naked bike design and performance-oriented features. This series is celebrated for its broad appeal, offering something for both novice and experienced riders. The heart of the MT-07, a twin-cylinder torque monster. The Yamaha MT-07 is powered by a 689cc parallel twin engine that produces 74 horsepower and 50 pounds-to-foot of torque. While these figures may seem substantial, the engine's power delivery is remarkably linear and manageable. The result is a responsive yet predictable machine that allows beginners to build their riding skills with confidence. Naked bike aesthetics. The MT-07 features a stripped-down, minimalist design that's synonymous with naked bikes. Its aggressive, angular styling and exposed engine components give it a muscular and eye-catching appearance. Novice riders will appreciate its modern and stylish look. Lightweight and agile. Weighing in at just over 400 pounds, approximately 182 kilograms, the MT-07 is a lightweight motorcycle. This, coupled with its compact dimensions, makes it agile and easy to maneuver in various riding scenarios. Novice riders can navigate city streets and practice low-speed maneuvers with ease. Comfortable and upright riding position. Despite its sporty appearance, the Yamaha MT-07 offers a comfortable and upright riding position. The handlebars are wide and well-placed, reducing rider fatigue on longer journeys. The neutral positioning of the foot pegs further enhances comfort, allowing for enjoyable hours in the saddle. User-friendly features. The MT-07 is equipped with a range of user-friendly features. The LCD instrument panel provides essential information, including speed, gear position, fuel level, and more. The information is presented clearly, ensuring that new riders can keep their attention on the road. Excellent fuel efficiency. Fuel efficiency is a notable feature of the MT-07. Yamaha's engineering ensures that each tank of gas takes you far, reducing the frequency of stops at the fuel pump. This makes it a cost-effective choice for beginners who want to explore the world on a budget. Confidence-inspiring handling. The Yamaha MT-07 chassis and suspension are carefully tuned to provide balanced and confidence-inspiring handling. It excels in maneuverability and responsiveness, making it suitable for riders who are still developing their skills. The predictable handling allows novice riders to learn and progress at their own pace. Low maintenance. Yamaha motorcycles, including the MT-07, are known for their reliability and low maintenance requirements. This means that new riders can enjoy their bikes without constantly tinkering with them. Instead, they can focus on honing their riding skills and discovering the joy of motorcycling. The perfect starting point. The Yamaha MT-07 is an excellent starting point for novice riders. It offers a captivating blend of style, performance, and practicality, making it well-suited for those new to motorcycling. Yamaha's legacy of excellence shines through in every aspect of the MT-07. As a first motorcycle, the MT-07 provides an ideal balance between accessible performance and sporty aesthetics. It serves as a stepping stone for beginners to dive into the world of motorcycling, develop their skills, and experience the freedom of two-wheel travel. Selecting your first motorcycle is a momentous occasion, and the Yamaha MT-07 ensures that your journey begins on the right note. It's not just a motorcycle, it's your partner in adventure, inviting you to explore the open road, learn, and grow as a rider. With its versatile design and balanced performance, it sets you on a path of discovery and skill development in the world of motorcycling.